Welcome to week 7. We've seen how traditional automation tools like N8N and Zapier have started to use AI, but this week we're looking at a new breed of tools that were born with AI at their very core. These are AI native platforms. We'll start with Lindy AI, a platform that isn't about building general purpose workflows, but about creating an army of specialist AI agents to handle your business communications. If a generalist agent like Manus is your project manager, a Lindy is your specialist employee. Lindy AI lets you create and train AI agents called Lindies to do one specific job incredibly well. You can have a Lindy that acts as your email assistant, triaging your inbox and drafting replies. You can have a Lindy that is your scheduler, coordinating meetings with clients. You can even have a Lindy that acts as your sales development rep, doing lead research and sending personalized outreach. It's about creating a team of digital specialists. Building a Lindy feels like a smart, guided conversation. You start from a template, like triage my inbox. First, you define the trigger. This is usually a new email or a new Slack message. Next, you define the actions, and this is where the AI native part comes in. Instead of a rigid action, you give the AI a goal. You can tell it to classify the email, and it will understand how to do that. You can tell it to draft a reply, giving it a persona and a goal, like draft a friendly, enthusiastic reply to this sales lead and ask for a good time to chat. The Lindy handles the prompt engineering for you. You can connect it to your other tools like your calendar so it can perform real-world actions. And finally, you give your Lindy a name and a personality so it always communicates in your brand's voice. So where does Lindy fit in our landscape? Compared to N8N or Make, Lindy is much faster for its specific use cases. You could build an email autoresponder in N8N, but you'd have to write all the OpenAI prompts yourself. Lindy has those AI-powered communication skills built in and optimized. Compared to a generalist agent like Manus, Lindy is more specialized. You'd use Manus for a complex, one-off research project. You'd use Lindy to handle the hundreds of routine emails that come in every single day. It's about delegating high-volume, communication-heavy tasks. Lindy represents a major trend in AI, the move towards specialized agents. While general-purpose AI is powerful, a team of specialists will often outperform a single generalist. By having dedicated AI agents for sales, support, and scheduling, you can create a much more efficient and scalable automated workforce. AI native platforms like Lindy are changing what we think of as automation. We're moving from building rigid, step-by-step processes to training intelligent, autonomous agents to handle entire job functions. In today's conceptual project, you'll design your first Lindy to manage an inbound sales inbox. Let's start building your digital team. Enjoyed this lesson? Stay ahead of the curve in AI automation. Join our newsletter at news@makeittakeit.org for the latest news, tips, tool updates, and upcoming events delivered straight to your inbox. We would love to have you in our community.